Lenovo. Napasukan daw ng langgam. So ito yung model niya. Okay. Buksan na natin. Okay. Tandaan yung maliliit yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huwag nyong tandaan sa harapan, bandang harapan to. Yung bandang likod, simula na dito hanggang dun, malalaki na. Ayan o. Ayan. Magkaiba. Okay. So, malalaki yan. Yung dito, dito. Pare-parehas yan. Ito na naman, maliliit yan. Unahin muna to, yan. Pag naunahan na yan, unti-untiin, hilain, paharap. Yan. Okay. No ants, man. I did not see anything ants here. So maybe it's already gone. No ants. I need to clean this one now. It's dusty. So, vacuum nga, ma. Okay, after cleaning, ma'am, this one. I did not see anything insect here. No ants. So maybe they are gone already. It's clean na. Okay. Yung malalaki dito sa may likuran. Yung maliliit, yung 4 dito sa harapan.